Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials a squared plus b squared x squared and 10a squared plus 10b squared x squared. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square. When I do that, this equals to a squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 2 times a squared b squared x squared plus b squared x squared to the power of 2 plus 10a squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 2 times 10a squared multiplied by 10b squared x squared plus 10b squared x squared in parentheses to the power of 2. Next, I need to apply the rule for power of a product with two factors. I also need to apply the rule for power of a product with three factors and the rule for power of a power. When I do that, for the first term, a squared to the power of 2, I need to use the rule power of a power and multiply the exponents, 2 times 2. So this way I get a to the 4th power. Then the second term I just need to rewrite. It is 2a squared b squared x squared. Then plus b squared x squared in parentheses to the power of 2. I need to use the rule for power of a product with two factors. That way I get b squared in parentheses to the power of 2 x squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 10 squared a squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus, for this next term, I need to multiply the numerical parts first, and this equals to 200, and then we have a squared, b squared, x squared, plus, for this last term, I need to use the rule for power of a product with three factors. This way I get 10 squared, b squared, in parentheses to the power of 2 multiplied by x squared in parentheses to the power of 2. When I simplify further and use the rule for power of a power for the remaining terms, I get a to the 4th power plus 2a squared b squared x squared. Just rewrite these two terms plus then b to the 4th power x to the 4th power plus 10 squared is 100 a to the 4th power plus 200 a squared b squared x squared plus 100 b to the 4th power x to the 4th power. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are terms that have the same literal parts. So I can add a to the 4th power with 100a to the 4th power. I can also add 2a squared b squared x squared with 200a squared b squared x squared. And then lastly I can add b to the 4th x to the 4th with 100 b to the 4th x to the 4th. This way I get 101 a to the power of 4 plus 202 a squared b squared x squared plus 101 b to the 4th power x to the 4th power. This polynomial cannot be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.